In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate on DigitalOcean using Let's Encrypt for WordPress. SSL certificates are crucial for securing your website, boosting your SEO, and ensuring that your visitors' data is kept safe. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to connect to your DigitalOcean droplet. Head on over to your droplet management area. Here, you'll want to open your terminal or PowerShell, whatever you're comfortable with. This is how you'll directly communicate with your server. Now that your terminal is ready, you should run an update on your server. You can do this with the command sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. Why? By running this, you're making sure that all your server's packages are up to date, which is a vital step before installing new software to avoid conflicts or bugs. Once the server is updated, the next step is to install certbot, which is the tool we'll use to manage our Let's Encrypt certificates. To do this, you'll need to execute the command apt install certbot python 3 certbot apache y. This will automatically install certbot along with the Apache plugin. With certbot installed, it's time to use it to fetch the SSL certificate. Run certbot using the command sudo certbot apache. This command will not only obtain the SSL certificate, but also configure Apache for you automatically. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Go ahead and type your exact domain like yourdomain.com. Certbot will also ask you for an email address. It's important to provide one here because you'll receive renewal notices, ensuring that your SSL certificate doesn't expire without you knowing. You'll then be asked to agree to the terms of service. Once accepted, certbot will configure everything, turning your HTTP site into a secure HTTPS site. After setup, it's a great idea to test the SSL installation. Simply visit your domain by going to https://yourdomain.com. If everything was configured correctly, you'll see that little padlock icon in the browser indicating a successful secure connection. To keep your certificate from expiring, enable automatic renewal. You can do this by running sudo systemshetal enable certbot.timer. By enabling this timer, certbot will automatically renew your SSL certificates when they're due, which is highly recommended for ease and peace of mind. And there you have it. Your WordPress site hosted on DigitalOcean now has SSL protection thanks to Let's Encrypt. Now you can enjoy enhanced security and potentially improved SEO rankings because Google prioritizes secure websites. Thanks for watching, and be sure to secure your site.